I would like to welcome you all as our future students, our future candidates, and I will use this opportunity to stress out three important pillars upon which we rely our competitive advantage. The first one is the infrastructure, or let's say capacity of this faculty. We are a modern faculty with one big amphitheater with 400 seats, several big classrooms with 120 seats, 3 computer labs, out of which the largest one has 60 computers. We also have library, which consists of both classical library with access to economic journals and books, both in written format but also in electronic format, and also co-working area where you can sit, use your computers for free, do your homework, create presentation, or simply search for topics you're interested in. Also, there is an area for you to study in peace and quiet, because peace is always kept there. Small boxes for each student where they can sit and read their books, read their materials, and prepare exams. We also have student restaurant. We will issue student cards for using that restaurant, and with those student cards you can have complete meal with the price of somewhere around €1, which is 4 to maybe even 5 times less than if you use a restaurant somewhere in the city. So that would be about capacities. Our second pillar, and the most important one, are people. We have professors on each 4 years of studies that are fluently speakers of English language and that can deal with you in all necessary exam material. Also, the one important thing is that for us, student is not just a number, student has a name. So every professor is open for consultation during classes, after classes, and also every single one of them has 4 hours of mandatory consultation time during week. So you can simply knock on the door, walk in the office and present your problem and ask anything you need. For students, you can always send an email and announce yourselves also outside of these open hours for students. The third pillar is the environment. Kragujevac is one of the most important cities in Serbia. We are the first capital of modern Serbia after Serbia liberated from Turkish occupation. Many important institutions started here, and many of them later were transferred to Belgrade, but Kragujevac kept the spirit and the pride of the old capital even to those days. Also, what is good thing for you is that although we are in the center of Serbia, we are a multicultural community. There are some foreign students here right now at the Faculty of Medicine, students from India, Iran, but also from some African countries. We have a small but important Chinese community. We have small but important Italian community, because we have several Italian companies here operating in Kragujevac. And in the last 3 or 4 years, we have small but important Russian and Ukrainian communities here in Kragujevac. So multicultural environment with opportunities to learn about different culture and opportunities to meet different people and enrich your experience, your life experience, by the experience you will have during classical education here at the faculty.